This is how we create a dictionary in Python. So let's say I have a variable Harry here, and then I can start the value with a curly bracket first. So the curly bracket actually, or a dictionary actually, store data that is key value pair data. It's not like the array. The array we can insert a single value, but inside a dictionary we can, let's say, like a structure of the data. So we can put here like the attribute of Harry, like let's say a name here, and then I can put Mr. Harry. So then we can put the age here, like maybe an integer here, 10, and then I can put the weight. Maybe the weight is double number, so I can put 15.1. So this is how we create a dictionary. It's not like a simple array, but the dictionary store a key value pair. So the name is the key, and then what is the value, and then comma for the next attribute. So then from this dictionary, how we can print out the name or the age or the weight. So let's say I can print here, and then I can call the Harry dictionary, and then I can put a square bracket here, and then I can insert the name of the attribute. So let's say I want to see the name of Harry, so I can put Harry name here. So if I rerun the code, so we will get the Mr. Harry here. But if we want to change any value of the dictionary key or value, so we can use like this Harry, and then I can call the attribute name, let's say the age, and then I can set a new value, let's say 20. So from here, if I print out the age and then I rerun, so it will show 20 because we already changed the value outside the original dictionary. So this is how we can change the value. So if we want to remove a value, also the same, we can use the keyword del here, that means a delete, and then we can put Harry, and then we set or we put the weight or the attribute name here. So if I copy the weight and I put in the print, so it will prompt error. Why error? Because the weight already been deleted before the code run. Okay, because we have delete the weight here.